Okay, welcome to Kenny and Nico's Construction. Today, we're going to build a temporary fence so that the chickens can have their own little section of the yard and we can keep them separate from the rest of the yard. So, we're going to build a quick, simple, temporary fence, and we only spent about 75 bucks today. We got some 2x2s there. Okay, make a little gate out of that. We got our 50 feet of 4-foot chicken wire. Okay. We have our 6-foot metal stakes. Okay. And some spring-loaded hinges. So you open the gate and you just let it go and it will shut by itself. And that's it. That's pretty much all we need. 75 bucks. And we're gonna build a nice 30-foot long fence. And then the chickens can have their own space and they won't be stuck in that chicken coop. Okay. Okay, here we are again. We're working on the gate first. Now, the way we build this gate is we cut our 2x2s to length, put them together. Each corner has only one screw, and it's going to still be flexible from that, which is good because we stick the T-square on it, as you see, and when I need to shift it left or right to make sure it's square, I can, and it will stay because there's only one screw in each corner, and which is holding it together, but it's still flexible. Now we have these triangle pieces of plywood that I cut. They're perfectly square on the corner, and we stick those on. We have a bead of glue under it, and then we screw it down, and that will keep it square forever. And it will also make it really strong. Okay.
Okay.
Are we rolling?
Yes, we're rolling.
Okay, here we are. The fence is now done. It's about 2.5, 3 hours of work, 75 bucks. Got it all done on a Saturday. Just stapled it right to the house here because it's just chicken wire. Just needs to hold the chickens, right? Easy to fix some tiny staple holes later if we want to take it off and get rid of it. Got our 6-foot steel posts. Just pounded them in with a sledgehammer. So they're 2 feet in the ground. Put a level on it to make it straight. It's just over 4 feet high, and it's got these little hooks on the other side. So the chicken wire, you stretch it out, and you just hook it right onto these hooks. You don't even have to like use tie wire or nothing. It just hooks right on. So it works perfectly together. So there we go. We got 30 feet of fence, and then over here we have our gate. Just stapled the chicken wire all the way around, trimmed off the excess with snips, and we're good to go. It's on spring-loaded hinges, so it just shuts by itself and it stays shut. So it's so easy to just get in and out. And then if you come over here, come to this side, come over here and take a look at the gate. Don't even need a handle, you know, just grab the chicken wire and open it, you know. It's always going to stay shut. The chickens will never get out. The dog can't get in. Over here we got our spring-loaded hinges. Okay. Just connected it right to the 4x4 post of the fence that we already had. Okay. Super easy. The whole thing done. Less than 3 hours. Boom. Now up here you can see all the chickens. Let's go take a look at the happy chickens. My 5 chickens. Now we can just leave them out and they can have a huge section of the yard. And we can just leave them out 24 hours a day now instead of leaving them in that little chicken coop. So, something I should have done sooner, but it's done now. We're ready for summer. Easy. And now, anybody who wants to know how to build a quick and easy fence, there you go.
Yay.